We are students. They are tall. You are teachers. Hello everyone, my name is Spencer from Cake English. Today you will learn how to use the be verb in the present tense when the subject is the second person plural you, the third person plural they, or people's names. It's easy. Are you ready? In the last video, you learned that be is an irregular verb that you can use to give information about someone's job, feelings, identity, and physical characteristics or personality. Remember, it is followed by an adjective or a plural noun. It's very easy to use be with plural pronouns or people's names because it always becomes are. We includes you and another person or people. In the present tense, be becomes are for all plural subjects. We are. To make your English more natural, use the contraction we're. Let's practice. When you want to say what country you and other people are from, it's easiest to use adjectives. This means you don't make it plural. For instance, we are Italian. We're Italian. We are Japanese. We're Japanese. We are Canadian. We're Canadian. In the case of jobs, it's a noun, so make the noun plural and don't use the article a or un with it. We are doctors. We're doctors. We are nurses. We're nurses. We are scientists. We're scientists. Feelings are adjectives, so don't try to make it plural. We are sad. We're sad. We are happy. We're happy. We are excited. We're excited. They is a group of people that doesn't include you. In the present tense, we say they are. You can also use the people's names or other identifying nouns like the man and the woman and join them with and. For instance, the man and the woman are engineers. They are engineers. They're engineers. To make your English more natural, use the contraction there. Let's practice. Look at the picture of the people and the keywords. Try to fill in the blanks. 32 and 35. In their 30s. That's right. Scott and Brittany are 32 and 35. They are 32 and 35. They're 32 and 35. Scott and Brittany are in their 30s. They are in their 30s. They're in their 30s. Smart. Scott and Brittany are smart. They are smart. They're smart. Kind. Good. Scott and Brittany are kind. They are kind. They're kind. Quiet. Correct. Scott and Brittany are quiet. They are quiet. They're quiet. Tall. Scott and Brittany are tall. They are tall. They're tall. Thin. Scott and Brittany are thin. They are thin. They're thin. Healthy. Nice job. Scott and Brittany are healthy. They are healthy. They're healthy. You already learned that you can be used when you are talking to one person. That is the second person singular you. The second person plural you is used when you talk to a group of people. In the present tense, both become you are. Easy, right? To make your English more natural, use the contraction your. Let's practice. Look at the keywords and answer the questions using the keywords. How do we feel? You are, you're. Good. You are bored. You're bored. What do we look like? You are, you're. Right. You are short. You're short. What's our job? You are, you're. Did you remember to make the noun plural? You are lawyers. You're lawyers. What kind of personality do we have? You are, you're. Excellent. You are friendly. You're friendly. With these plural subjects, you can add the quantifiers both or all. Both means a group of two, and all means a group larger than two. They are both used after the subject and be verb. Let's practice. If it's a group of two, then use both. We are both 25. We're both 25. They are both 25. They're both 25. You are both 25. You're both 25. We are both Mexican. We're both Mexican. They are both Mexican. They're both Mexican. You are both Mexican. You're both Mexican. We are both anxious. We're both anxious. They are both anxious. They're both anxious. You are both anxious. You're both anxious. If it's a group larger than two, use all. We are all shy. We're all shy. They are all shy. They're all shy. You are all shy. You're all shy. We are all attractive. We're all attractive. They are all attractive. They're all attractive. You are all attractive. You're all attractive. We are all police officers. We're all police officers. They are all police officers. They're all police officers. You are all police officers. You're all police officers. Now you know how to use the be verb in the present tense with we, they, you, or people's names. Try making your own sentences and remember that practice makes perfect. If you are interested in learning English more easily, check out the Classes feature on the Cake app. You'll see all the lectures, learn through real video clips, practice your speaking, and take quizzes step by step. It will improve your English in a fun and easy way. And I'll see you next time. Bye!